When I took charge, in Gujarat, our financial system is, our backbone is a cooperative sector. Our urban cooperative banks are there, our rural cooperative banks are there, agriculturist cooperative banks are there. And one after one, banks were defaulters. One after one. You can imagine what type of threat was there. The whole of our economical financial system was under threat, and there was a pressure under it. To save the whole financial sector, I take to hard decisions. And in that case, I was very, very secular. Because my party MP was in the jail, my party MLA was in the jail, my party's few ward corporation chairmen were there in the jail, and the same way, Congress leader were also in the jail. In that sense, I was a secular. It was a very hard task I had to handle that problem. And today, our cooperative sector is as good as in nationalized, more than the nationalized bank. Within 4 years, we change it. Friends, in Gujarat, people are talking about the IT in Tamil Nadu nowadays. But as far as IT utility is concerned, Gujarat, we have a Gujarat state wide area network, the optical fiber network. We are largest in Asia, number one. We are number one in Asia. And we are second largest in the world. Can you imagine how we are using the technology? And friends, nowadays one project is going on in my state, the broadband connectivity to the rural area. Within 6-7 months, we will complete this project. When I say the broadband connectivity in my state, means the facility which is there in Washington, White House, the same facility will be available in the rural area of my Gujarat. And when America denied the visa, I said, I will create so many America in my state, and American will come to visit my state. They will ask for the visa. And it will create a revolution in the social structure. This broadband connectivity is such a powerful IT instrument which we are going to implement in the rural area. If there is one best teacher of mathematics here in Chennai, and I want to his services through this broadband connectivity, from Chennai only, I can teach in my rural area through the internet and the most modern technology, and the person will stay only in Chennai. This type of facility will be available in the rural area of Gujarat. Even in our country, even in the urban area, this type of facilities are not available. I want Gujarat develop with the technical support. I want to develop Gujarat with a scientific temper. And I know that when we are talking about the 21st century, the India century, this first 10 years, I want to have a strongest foundation in Gujarat, and Gujarat can be a catalytic agent for this whole country to achieve this goal that India's 21st century is India's century. By and large, prosperity is concerned, wealth creation is concerned, is there any role of the government? Give a chance to the people, those who are capable enough to create a wealth. Give them a chance. And the government's role is how to distribute that wealth. And government should enter only that point. And that's why in my Gujarat, my motto is minimum government, maximum governance. The secret of success in Gujarat model, people are talking about the Gujarat, this Gujarat model is, I always think about the public-private partnership. In every occasion, unless and until you don't have a public-private partnership, you can't achieve any goal. Government cannot achieve everything unless and until people are not with you. Friends, to develop our country, I think development must be a movement. Simply you say that growth rate was 2.5%, now growth rate is 3%, the roads were 4%, now roads are 5%. This will not change. It should be the movement. And when I say the movement, I mean that. You see, during 1857 to 1947, so many people were fighting against the British rulers and trying hard for the independence of our country. They laid down their life. They were in the jails. They spoiled their family lives. They tried their level best. But individually they were doing. Hundreds and thousands of people have done so. But what was the role of Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi converted this urge of independence into the mass movement. And that was the greatest contribution of Mahatma Gandhi. He converted this whole movement into a mass movement. And he gave a chance to each and every common man. Yes, if you will do this Safai Abhiyan, you will, because of this your work, we will achieve the independence. If you will do the Charkha, because of this act, we will achieve the independence. He converted this independence movement into the mass movement. It is the need of the hour that we'll have to convert our development process into a mass movement. Unless and until 100 crore people of this country come forward for the development, the involvement of the people, country cannot grow, country cannot achieve, and we'll have to do this. Friends, in Andhra Pradesh, farmers are facing a problem. The suicide cases are there. In Maharashtra, the suicide cases are there. We are also a cotton grower state. Andhra is a cotton grower. Maharashtra is a cotton grower. Cotton grower farmers are facing a problem. When I took charge in the Gujarat, our cotton production was 23 lakhs bales. In 2002, it was 23 lakhs bales. This year it is 1 crore 23 lakhs bales. Why this different? Maharashtra is a neighbor of the Gujarat, Andhra is a neighbor to the Maharashtra. Why this difference is there? If good governance is there, if policy-driven state is there, if there is not a malified intention is there, I am sure we can change the whole development process also. And this is what we are trying in Gujarat. Today is the auspicious day. I am lucky that I am here with you, with Joe, and with this family of the Tughlaq magazine. I again request you to come to Gujarat, visit Gujarat, experience Gujarat, and come with some determination that yes, we can change our country. So, Joe, thanks a lot. Thank you very much.